Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add rows and columns in a Canva table. This is great for organizing information clearly and customizing your table to fit your design needs. Let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, we will first insert a table. To do this, we just need to click on Elements. Then we type Tables in the search bar. Here is the Table section. From here, we just need to click the table we want to use. Let's go with this one. Now we can adjust it to fit our needs. To add columns and rows, all we need to do is right-click the table. This opens up more options. From here, we can add columns or add rows, depending on what we need. For example, let's add another column. We can add as many columns or rows as we like. We can also add as many rows as we need. And that's how we add rows and columns in a Canva table. It's that simple. We can easily adjust our tables and keep our designs well structured.